This is an easy and simple meat recipe. Hi everyone, join me in my cooking show. In this mixing bowl, let's put a mixed meat of pork and beef, which are minced. Let's grate parmesan cheese. We need 50 grams of parmesan cheese. Let's add the grated parmesan cheese onto the mixed meat. And then salt. Paprika. And then pepper. Milk. Mix all the ingredients. You may use your hands, your hand. To cook the minced meat, I will use this muffin tray. So let's grease with oil each empty circle. Then let's place 2 strips of bacon on each empty circle. After placing the strips of bacon, put enough minced meat on it. Then fold the overlapping bacon strips on top. Do the same process on all the empty circles of the muffin pan. So I'll just brush this olive oil that is left on top of each. In the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. So this is how they look when they are done. So tender and so juicy, and so tasty. You will like this recipe. Promise. Thanks for watching.